Hello students, today we start the Rainbow Workbook of Special English class 10th. This one is your practice book. I give you some help and you have to fill it. Now from lesson 1, goodwill. Now from vocabulary, write the opposites and antonyms of the following words. All of you know what is antonyms? The opposite words. The first one is swift. So the opposite of swift is slow. Swift means fast. Steady, then movable. Knowledge, ignorance. Wise, fool. Now things like chariots are rarely seen these days. Make a list of such things and describe them in a sentence or two. Means in that time we rarely seen the chariots. So you have to make a list of those things which we not seen, we rarely seen in our daily life or these days, and make the sentence of two. Now in listening skill, listen to the poem carefully. If I have uttered idle words or vain, if I have turned aside from want or pain, lest I myself should suffer through the strain, good Lord forgive. If I have craved for joys and are not mine, if I have let my wayward heart repine, dwelling on things of earth, not things divine, good Lord forgive. If I have been perverse or hard or cold, if I have longed for shelter in thy fold, when thou hast given me some part to hold, God, good Lord, forgive. Forgive these sins I have confessed to thee. Forgive the secret sins I do not see. That which I not know, Father, teach thou me, help me to live. Now this poem is written by Charles C. Gabriel, and this one is also a hymn or a prayer song in which the poet tells us about what the things he would do in his life or in her life, the God will forgive him. So here students, you see, now answer the following question. Recall two words from the poem which rhyme with the following words and write them in the space given. So with the help of this poem, you have to find the rhyming words of these. Like first one is vain. So the rhyming of vain is pain and strain. So you have to write it there. Pain and strain. Now next are your work. Then in speaking skill, say a few lines on the following virtues. So you have to read these words in your own sentences. Now then next is reading skill. You have to read this prayer and find the answer. Now I read the poem for you. Like the title of that poem is A Prayer for Every Day. Make me too brave to lie or to be unkind. Make me too understanding to mind. The little hurts companions give and friends, the careless hurts that no one quite intends. Make me too thoughtful to hurt others, so help me to know the inmost hearts of those for whom I care, their secret wishes, all the loads they bear, that I may add my courage to their own. May I make lonely folks feel less alone, and happy ones a little happier yet. May I forget what ought to be forgotten and recall, unfailing all. That ought to be recalled each kindly thing, forgetting what might sting. To all upon my way, day after day, let me be joy, be hope, let my life sing. So here students, there are lots of rhyming words in this poem like unkind mind, friends, intents, so, no, then here care, bear, own, alone, yet, forget, recall, all, think, sting, way, day and sing. Now except these there are some questions here. Now answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. So why does the poet want to be brave? Here you get the answer. The poet want to be brave because he want to brave to lie or to be unkind. What does the poet want to do with the unintentional hurts of friends? That here you get the answer that the little hurts companion give and friends, the careless hurts that no one quite intends. What does the poet wish to know? What does the poet wish to know? That make me too thoughtful to hurt others so. And he also want to know it. Here, next is complete the following lines. So with the help of this poem, you have to complete all these lines like may I make lonely fox feel less alone. So like that you have to complete these lines. Now third one is give synonym of the following words. Now the secret, concealed, courage, bravery, recall, remember, joy, happiness. Means all words have the similar meaning. Synonym means the similar meaning. Go to the next question. Choose the antonym of the following words from the poem. So forget, remember, enemy, friend, careful, careless, coward, brave. Now from writing skill, students, you greet your friends on several occasions. Write goodwill greetings starting with may you, wish you. Means you have to write the goodwill greetings, what you want to give to your friends. So you start with may you or wish you. So write it. Here the place is given to you and here narrate some qualities found in a wise man. What are the qualities which we found in a wise man? So you have to write it here in 150 words. So you have to complete your homework is to complete your first lesson of your workbook, Goodwill. Thank you.